So how did I buy Tesla as a normal 16-year-old kid? Long story short, I didn't. This isn't even my car. But after working countless hours on countless days, I've built up a plan of how I'm gonna buy a Tesla just like this one within the next year. So without further ado, let's talk about it. Maybe you can too. So the plan is to buy a Tesla. It's not really about getting the final product of the car, because if I really wanted it right now, I'd just start financing it. But my goal is to become successful working for myself and being able to comfortably buy one cash in hand. So I'm gonna explain and walk you guys through all of my sources of income. I'm gonna go through completely everything that I do and be completely open with you guys and just show you everything. And this video is not for me to flex how much money I make at all, but I'm just making this video to show every single one of you that if you just put a little bit of time and dedication, you can make anything come true at any age. So my first and probably most important business to me is obviously YouTube. I currently run and help run about 3 or 4 different YouTube channels in different niches, but right now my main focus on YouTube is this channel. I think I have a lot of potential and the ability to make videos in this finance niche. Even though I may not be making hundreds of thousands of dollars, I definitely see the longevity of this channel compared to some other ones. We're gonna hop onto my YouTube studio right now for this channel and see how much money I'm actually making. So for the past week on this channel, I've had 2,000 views, gained 14 subscribers, and made $10, which these may seem like good numbers to a lot of people, but for me it's definitely a low point in my channel. As you guys can see, the last videos I've uploaded, it's been a big gap. August 12th, August 8th, and then before that it was July 20th, then May 29th. I've just been taking a big break on YouTube and not putting enough work in, but that's definitely something that needs to be changed. If we look at the last 90 days on my channel, as you guys can see, I have 27,000 views, 1.3 thousand watch hours, plus 305 subscribers, and I've made $167, which honestly 167 is not that bad. I'm probably making around $2 a day on this channel. I mean, it's not bad. I've seen better. I think if I put enough work into it, we're definitely gonna start popping off and making a ton of money. So the next side hustle that I do is drop shipping. If you don't know what drop shipping is, basically you're gonna find a product in a store or on a website like AliExpress, list that product on your own Shopify store, and whenever someone orders it from your website, then you're going to go to the third-party website or store and deliver it to the customer's house. So you're going to be a middleman, not really touching the product, but still going to be taking in the profit. Now I currently do drop shipping a few ways. I do the classic Shopify from AliExpress drop shipping, but recently I've been dipping into eBay drop shipping. Basically, you're finding the same product from AliExpress or a store like Walmart, and you're either taking the product in person, bringing it to your house and just flipping it or reselling it, or doing an order on demand process, which would be more classified as drop shipping. So right now I'm actually doing the reselling part of eBay. As you guys can see, I have a couple things over here. I have this pooled life raft that I got for $3, selling for about $15, and I have some of these pools. I don't know how you guys can see them, they're heavy, but pools that I'm going to be reselling on eBay. Those are some of my hidden products if you're curious. There's going to be a video coming out shortly of me doing this more in depth, but that's just the basic kind of stuff I'm selling and pretty much what I'm doing in general. So this and the next side hustle are probably where most of my income comes in. As you guys can see, YouTube itself isn't really financially sustainable right now, but eBay and Shopify together are starting to make me a decent amount of money. And if you guys are curious to see more information on how to start dropshipping and making money, you guys can definitely go check out my other videos. I have so many videos talking about this kind of subject, so feel free to subscribe, like, and check out those videos. So the next side hustle that I currently do is Amazon FBA. Really similar to eBay reselling. You're just flipping products for resale, but instead of actually having the products in your house, you're getting rid of you as a whole and shipping the products directly to an Amazon warehouse. Basically, let's say I just bought this mug from Walmart, I brought it to my house, and now we're getting ready to sell it on Amazon. So I'm gonna go on my computer, list this mug on Amazon for my profile, then they're gonna tell me where they want me to ship it. I'm gonna pack it up, ship it the same day I buy it, then Amazon is gonna list it on Amazon.com, and whenever someone buys it from Amazon, just like you'd buy anything else, they're gonna already have the product so they can ship it with Prime really fast 2-day shipping to the customer. And I really like Amazon for this sole purpose because as soon as you ship something off to Amazon, you never have to touch it again. You don't have to worry about returns, sales, anything at all. Amazon's gonna take care of all that for you. So Amazon FBA is the #1 side hustle that I recommend for anyone getting started making money. It's just so easy to do. There's also a free option you guys can do with Amazon FBA. you're only allowed to list like 35-40 items a month, but that's totally enough for you guys to test the waters and see how much you can actually make before upgrading to the $40 a month plan. So the next business I run is more of a side hustle. It's not really something that's sustainable for long-term money, but that's going to be Instagram theme pages. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a little while now, you would know that I completely started this channel and grew it from 0 to over 1,500 subscribers just by doing Instagram videos. It's something that I found really fun and just cool to do for the past couple years now. I've been learning a lot about it, and there's actually so many ways you can make money. For me personally, the best way I've been making money on Instagram is by selling and flipping Instagram theme pages. Basically, everything I do is just revolving around reselling. It's just my favorite thing to do. But I'll go on Instagram, DM a few pages, try to see how much they're going to sell them for, and buy maybe just 1 or 2 pages a month, work on them, grow them a few thousand followers, touch them up a little bit, and then just resell them to someone else for more money. And a lot of the times you can get so much more money on these pages just by changing the way they look. I've probably made over $2,000 just from Instagram. So guys, these have been about my 5 sources of income that make me the most money, and my plan to buy Tesla is just to scale the dropshipping, YouTube, and see if I can get both of these to work together for me to make enough money to buy my dream car, which is gonna be a Tesla. So once again guys, sorry for the clickbait. I just saw a really good opportunity for a title and thumbnail, but I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I can inspire some of you guys to start working and grinding towards your dreams. I'm definitely gonna make more videos like this in the future, so if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.